Ever wonder what happens to all the food we make here in the test kitchen? It's a great question. After each dish is made, it's taste tested by the whole team. If it earns the "ooh, it's so good" approval, we put it out for lunch. And when a dish is really awesome, like the honey mustard wings we're making today, it disappears in no time. To make them, all we do is toss a good amount of chicken wings, and they can be fresh or frozen, with some oil and a bit of salt and pepper. We lay them on a rim baking sheet and into the oven they go. While they cook, we combine some honey, yellow mustard, mayonnaise, dried onion flakes, and a good amount of minced garlic. Once the wings are tender, we toss them with our to-die-for honey mustard mixture, and back into the oven they go. That's all there is to it. I think what makes these so addictive, aside from the amazing homemade sauce, is that they're really tender and juicy. That's because they're baked rather than fried. To get the recipe for our crispy honey mustard wings, all you have to do is go online. You know, these really are amazing. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a finger-licking way for you to say, "Ooh, it's so good."